I was stubborn, old timer, and I didn't believe it. Like I said, I still don't believe it works, but I know it does. In all sincerity, I'm an old man, and you can't teach no new tricks. And I always think it's trick. No, it's worked good. And you people, being the pioneers, you're going to revolution this, especially in these commercial cleaning markets. I mean,
You think it'll revolutionize the commercial carpet cleaning industry?
Yes, there's no question about that. In fact, about it, it's happening right now.
Now, is this environmentally safe, in your opinion?
Oh yes, yes. That's the key feature, is the fact that it has nothing in there that's going to cause endotoxicity, any of those things of that nature. So it's not going to resoil. It's not a danger to the environment. It cleans the carpet faster and leaves it drier faster. You guys have got it. You're too highfalutin for me there. You use terms that I can't understand or spell.
Okay.
But as far as your product and as far as ability, that's top notch.